Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the material of a certain product on the Zara application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then select the kind of piece of clothing you are interested in. Scroll down to the materials, care and origin section and tap on the plus icon. Now the materials of this product are available to you, so you can read this brief text of it. You can see the percentages of the materials that this product contains. You can also read about the care section and the origin of the product. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.